How long does it take to convert a Spotify playlist to MP3?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a question that many Spotify users often ask. How long does it take to convert a Spotify playlist to MP3? The answer largely depends on the size of the playlist and the conversion tool you're using. However, to give you a better idea, we will break down the entire process into steps.
What do you need?
Before you start, you will need a Spotify account, a Spotify to MP3 converter tool, internet connection, enough storage space on your device to save the MP3 files.
How to choose a converter?
There are several Spotify to MP3 converter tools available online. They can be free or paid, and some offer more features than others. However, the key is to find a reliable and efficient tool that suits your needs. As a rule of thumb, look for a tool with good user reviews and a clear, easy-to-use interface.
How to convert a Spotify playlist to MP3?
The exact process can vary depending on the tool you're using, but the basic steps are generally the same. 1. Log into your Spotify account and open the playlist you want to convert. 2. Copy the URL of the playlist. 3. Open the converter tool and paste the copied URL into the provided field. 4. Select the output format, in this case, MP3. 5. Start the conversion process.
How long does the conversion take?
The duration of the conversion depends on a few factors: number of songs in the playlist, speed of your internet connection, performance of the converter tool on average. It could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes per song. Hence, if you're converting a playlist with 50 songs, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Converting a Spotify playlist to MP3 isn't a complicated process, but it can be a bit time-consuming, depending on the size of the playlist and the tool you're using. Always remember to use this feature responsibly and respect the rights of the artists and creators. We hope this guide has been helpful and will assist you in your music conversion journey. Enjoy your tunes!